Good day, everyone. You're welcome to St. class. We'd like to try our hands on some few questions. It says, given that vector p is equal to x values n plus 3, y values 2 minus n, q is equal to y values 3n minus 1, and y values n minus 8, and p is equal to q, find the values of m and n. Now, this is what we call equality vectors. Equality vectors. So it was stated that p is equal to q. So vector p is equal to vector q. So the values of vector p are m plus 3 and 2 minus n, equal to the values of q are 3m minus 1, n minus 8. So they are equal. Now in equality vectors, it states that x values are equal to x values and y values are also equal to y values. So we are going to have two equations. That is m plus 3 is equal to 3m minus 1. We call this equation 1. So we can make m the subject. So m minus 3m equals negative 1 minus 3. This will give a negative 2m equals negative 4. And m will be equal to positive 2. You know, we divide both sides by negative 2 and we'll get positive 2. And then the second equation is 2 minus n is equal to n minus 8. Call this equation 2. We group terms. So we have negative n minus n equals negative 8 minus 2. We have negative 2n equals negative 10. So we divide both sides by negative 2 and n is equal to 5. So here too we divide both sides by negative 2, and our answer is 5. So therefore m is equal to 2 and n is equal to 5. This is what we call equality of vectors. Yes. Now let's move to the second aspect of this. Question on set. Simplify 3 root 50 plus 2 root 45 minus 2 plus root 2 plus root 5. So we can express or simplify these sets in their simplest form. So in our solution, we are going to have 3 root 25 times 2 is the same as root 50 plus 2. 45 can be simplified as 9 times 5 minus root 2 plus root 5. So next thing is that we can simplify this. Root of 25 can be expressed as 5. So that 5 is a whole number. Meeting another whole number, they multiply. So we have 3 bracket 5, then root 2. So times here root 2. Then this one also be 2 times 3, because square root of 9 is 3. Then times root 5 minus root 2 plus root 5. So here we said that or we learned that these roots 25 and 2 can be expressed separately. You see, so it could have been root 25 times root 2, and this one could have been root 9 times root 5. That's how we express to get this. Yes, I wanted to explain much further for you to get it right. All right, so let's continue. So we know that. So now let's multiply 3 times 5 gives us 15 times root 2 plus 2 times 3 gives us 6 times root 5 minus root 2 plus root 5. So 15 times root 2 is the same as 15 root 2. Then we have 6 root 5 minus root 2 plus root 5. So what next? We can see some similar sets here. We can simplify them or group them. So root 2, root 2, root 5, root 5. So we can have 15 root 2 minus root 2. Then 6 root 5 plus root 5. Good. Alright, so here let's assume a 1 here. Let's assume a 1 here. So 15 minus 1 will be 14 root 2 plus, and 6 plus this 1, an assumption of 1 here, will be 7 root 5. Good. So our final answer is going to be 14 root 2 plus 7 root 5. Or yes, still 7 root 5 plus 14 root 2. So we can also factorize this expression. Now 7 is a common factor, so 7 out. Then we have root 5 plus 7 into 14, 2 times root 2. So this is also another alternative, either this or that. Good. That is it. So thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.